those won't either. But all the links inside Wikipedia uh, will uh, are passing link juice, so these are good for internal linking, and this is another SEO concept. So let's say we wanted to create a no-follow link. One of the reasons we would want to do that is maybe we want to link to an affiliate product, and we don't really want search engines to follow follow those links because maybe the affiliate product is on a page with a sales page on a badly designed page, and it's good to have an external link to authority sites. Let's say you have an external link to a popular Wikipedia article is good for your SEO, but the subject is much debated. But some people think that it's not good to have links to affiliate websites and stuff like that. So on my affiliate links, I always put a no follow. So the way you would do that is here you would put a new attribute, so space, and then the attribute is rel equals, and then the parentheses, and just no follow, all in one word. And then you update. And let's go and check on our article. Alright, so you see, it's highlighted, so it's no follow. So Google won't follow, it's not supposed to follow this link. And if you're doing link building, you don't want to eliminate any every no follow links, because some people it's another debated subject, but some people think that no follow links still have a little bit of importance. So, and also it doesn't look very natural if all your links are do follow, and it's a good idea to have natural looking links on the internet. So Google sees that you're a legitimate website, you're not trying to spam or to create fake links and spammy content and stuff like that. So don't be scared about no follow links, but don't of course don't focus on that, and don't lose your time creating them. But if you can get no follow links, get them. Alright, so next concept, it's maybe you heard about H1s and H2s and H3s. These are headers, and these are important for your SEO also. So let's put a header 1. There's 6 levels of headers available. So header 1, let's say this is my title, and let's go here, and you see the tag. This is what we call H1. The tag is H1, and you could put a link also, but this is maybe a more advanced concept, but the way it works is that H1 is it's a block level content, and anchor text is inline, like inline content. And inline, okay, this might be a little bit complex, but I'm sure you'll be able to grasp a little bit of it. You wouldn't put the anchor text this way. Let's say I'll just put nothing. You can do that, and it will just be nothing. This is not good because, like, the anchor, the H1 is a since it's a block level element, it covers the whole line. So if you're trying to, of course it works, but it's not good. Like it's not good HTML. Don't do that. An H1 element will cover the whole line here. So after you put an H1 element, if you're trying to put in some text, the text will be on the next line, because H1 element is a block element. It takes up the whole width it's allowed to take. And oh, you see, it was fixed by. Did I do it? Okay, I think it was fixed by WordPress, because it's a mistake. You can't. This is an inline element. This is this is done inline. So the block elements are all the H1 to H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Paragraph element is a block element. So if you want to do a paragraph, it's P, and P to close it. So this is a block element. Don't go and put inline elements uh, before the p tag. Like don't put strong or emphasis or links or anything. Uh, and what's another one? Uh, div. Div is a very important element, but it does nothing actually visually right away, and it's a block element. Don't put like your inline stuff that's affected to text, like it to change the formatting of text. It's all this is all inline, and what else? Links are inline, pictures are inline. So put pictures inside uh, the block elements. And the div is just to create a division. So you want to divide your stuff. So you can create nested divs, and it can get a little bit complex. But usually the way it's created, like let's look at the HTML of a page here. Let's say view source, and this whole part here you don't have to know it, but these are like the parts to define the page. So usually the page starts. The real content of the page starts with a body tag. So this is the body. So these are the attributes given. And the end of the content will end by another closing body tag here. And the whole document is opened by an HTML tag. You see here. The whole document is then closed by the HTML tag. And of course you see it's opened and closed in the same order. And just before the body tag, you have an head tag, and the head tag defines everything that you don't see on the website. Every like meta information, like your keywords, your description, or the scripts, JavaScripts that are called on the page, CSS styles, stuff the user don't see. So you see this is in the head tag. You see your description, description content. And you would also see there's no keywords right now, but you also see keywords, links to the scripts, links to the RSS file, RSS feed, and your title. Your title is here, so this is all in the head tag. Okay, so you see the divs are used to divide stuff. Like so this is the top div, and in the top div you get the header div, and in the header div you get the search div, and in the search div you get a form, you get a anchor, and in the anchor you have a picture, and you see again in the and usually you would code given incrementation. You can put spaces, as much spaces as you need, and it's easier to see. Like the top div here is opened, and it's closed here. It's supposed to be closed. Maybe it's closed here, but usually the best way to do it is to close it equal to the other one, so it's easy to see. And you could put this is a comment. You can put as much comments as you like. It's for you. It's for you. It's to help you out. Like let's say here you put start logo, end logo, start search box, end search box, start menu. So this is the way it works. So you see the block elements are before the inline elements, like the text, the links, the pictures, and but you can put block elements inside of other block elements. Like you can put a paragraph inside a div, and you can put a h1 inside a div. Of course you can do that. So let's go back to our thingy here. Okay, so you learn that this is a division, a paragraph. So this is our h1 title, and for SEO purposes, it is recommended that you would put one and only one title on each page, and that it's up on the page, and that you do have a title. Don't forget to put one. It puts a lot of emphasis on your keyword you're using in the title. So do use h1, use it one time, and use it on the top of the page, and then use h2s and use it for subtitles as you need them in the page. Okay,